Did you hear that? I think I know who that might be. Let's go and say hello. Benny, what do you do on the farm?
I help keep the barn tidy by chasing mice.
That's very helpful, Benny. And what sound do you make?
Listen carefully.
Can you make Benny's sound too?
Oh, yes, that's fun. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
That was excellent meowing.
I am getting sleepy now.
Can everybody say night-night to Benny? Meow. Night-night, Benny.